Tired of juggling endless links or a messy linking bio page? Let's streamline your entire online presence with Beacons.Ai. Beacons.Ai is your all-in-one hub for everything online, consolidating all your social media, content, and important links into one shareable page. First, head over to Beacons.Ai and click on the Get Started for Free button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, choose a strong password, and then click Sign Up. Next, it's time to customize your profile. Think of a catchy name for your page and choose a unique username. This will be the web address for your Beacons.Ai page, so make it memorable. Beacons.Ai offers a variety of stylish templates to match your brand. Browse through them and select the one that best represents you or your business. Now, let's add your first link. Click the Add Link button. You can add your YouTube channel, TikTok, Instagram, website, or any other important URL here. Want to make your links more engaging? You can add a title, a description, and even an image to each link to give your visitors a preview of what they'll find. You can easily drag and drop your links to reorder them, ensuring your most important content is always at the top. Don't forget to upload a profile picture and write a brief bio to introduce yourself and tell people what you're all about. Once you're happy with your page, hit the share button. You'll get a unique Beacons.Ai URL that you can share everywhere while you're most importantly in your social media bios. Now, all your followers have one easy place to discover everything you offer, boosting engagement and making you more discoverable across all platforms. Start building your central online hub today with Beacons.Ai. Subscribe for more essential creator tips.